So today, that needs to be on a blooper. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Tasty Kitchen. My name is Misty, and today we are going to be making the sausage cheese balls. Man, these have to be my favorite, best appetizer ever. So I hope you will give this video a watch, give me a thumbs up, all that fun stuff. Let's get started on today's video. Today we're going to be making the classic sausage cheese balls. These are great to make ahead. You can freeze them, and I will definitely be freezing some of these. But they're really good for football parties, appetizers, for any party, holiday party you wanted to have. These things are addictive, and you can't just have one. So today we're going to be making those up. Can't wait to show you how to do that. First things first, you are going to be needing 3 cups of Bisquick. Now, you can use, make your own Bisquick. My friend Crystal over at Copper Kettle Farm, she made a video on how to make homemade Bisquick. I had this in my stash, and it needs to be used, so that's what we're gonna go with today. I'm also adding in a pound of breakfast sausage. I'm using the mild, or the country mild. You could use the sage, you could use the maple, you could use hot and spicy, whatever you like. We like the country mild, so that's what I'm going with today. I'm also adding in 4 cups or 16 ounces of cheese. I did just buy the block. This is Longhorn cheddar, which is my favorite cheddar. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. I've got a teaspoon of both rosemary and parsley. And then the recipe calls for a 1/2 cup. Last time I made this, it was too dry. So I've got 3/4 of a cup, but I'm gonna start out by pouring in a 1/2 cup, and then if I need more, I can. And then just get your hands in here and get it mixed up. Kind of like a meatloaf. It's better using your fingers than anything else. You certainly could use a spoon if you can't stand touching stuff, but it doesn't bother me to use my fingers. You also could put this in your stand mixer with your paddle attachment and mix it up that way. I'm going to need a little bit extra milk. So I would say use 3/4 of a cup of milk with this. If you don't already know about this, I'm going to show you a quick little hack. If you'll spray your cookie sheet with a little bit of cooking spray and then put your parchment paper down, it will stick right to it. Alright, I've got a 1-inch cookie scoop. And then you're just going to roll them up in little balls. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of these finished up and I'll bring you right back. Okay, we've got our tray made up. We're going to stick them in the oven, cook them for 20-25 minutes until they're good golden brown, and I'll bring you back and show you the end product. We'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you real quick. We have taken what was left and gone ahead and made the little balls. Going to put them on paper plates. We're going to put them in the freezer and let them freeze for an hour. Then you get a gallon baggie out and put them in a gallon baggie. And then you can take them out whenever you need them. You don't have to thaw them out. Just put them on a cookie sheet, cook them the same amount of time. Here are our finished sausage balls. I've got 2 different things you could dip it in. Some barbecue sauce and some Dijon mustard. I'm going to go with the mustard. Let's give this a little taste. I wholeheartedly believe These things are the best party appetizer ever. So I hope you will make these. Hey, have you ever made them before? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I got a Facebook page over there. Love for you to show pictures of you making them. It'd be great. We'll see you guys on the next video.